Bonjour, class. It is Tori back again for French Fridays. I hope you enjoyed last week, and I can't wait to teach you guys more French. After watching your guys' Flipgrid videos, I decided I want to do a Stars of the Week every week. This week, it is Haley and Colin. They both had amazing pronunciation, and you can tell that they were confident. Now, everybody did such an amazing job with it, and it was hard to just pick two. Everybody, I could see that you guys all put in your best effort, and I'm so proud that you all participated. So now we are going to review from our stuff from last week. Say hello in any of the three ways and say goodbye. So I'm going to say coucou and au revoir. Our learning target this week is that I can ask someone name and tell them my name. Last week we learned how to greet and say goodbye to people, so now we're going to learn the next step. To jump right in, we have how do I ask someone? To ask someone their name, you have two options. Comment tu t'appelles or comment vous appelez-vous? Now, they both mean the same thing, but you would use them in different situations, and that's what we will be further going into. But let's repeat. Comment tu t'appelles ou comment vous appelez-vous? So we have comment tu t'appelles. This is the informal version. It means what is your name? And you use it with people your age and your family. Can you say comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Now the other form is comment vous appelez-vous. It is the formal version. You can use it with those older than you and that you respect. Can you say comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Now that one's kind of a mouthful. It's a lot harder to say than comment tu t'appelles. But you would use this with Mrs. Renner, your friend's parents, anybody older than you that you respect. Now we have the ways that you can respond to tell someone in your way. There are three ways, and they have the same meaning, and you can use them with anyone and anybody. They are moi c'est, je suis, and je m'appelle. Since these three all mean the same thing, we can just kind of jump on into pronunciation learning. So répétez s'il vous plaît. Moi c'est Tori. Now you say moi c'est blank your name. Moi c'est Tori. If someone was to ask you, tu t'appelles comment? You could respond, moi c'est your name. I would say, moi c'est Tori. Répétez s'il vous plaît, je suis. Je suis. Je suis means I am. So you could use je suis with many things, including names. Je suis Tori. That is what I would say. Now I'm going to ask you to repeat. Je suis, and then say your name. Je suis Tori. Someone was to ask you, tu t'appelles comment? You would respond with, je suis your name. I would say, je suis Tori. Je suis is one of the easier ones, I think, to pronounce because it rolls off more naturally. In France, they combine these words to suis. But we won't do that. Now we have je m'appelle. Je m'appelle is probably the most uniform response to it. And how you say it is je m'appelle, not je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Tori. If someone asks you tu t'appelles comment, you could respond je m'appelle your name. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Tori. Now you say that with your name. Je m'appelle blank. Je m'appelle. Now we are going to practice. And how we're going to practice is I'm going to ask you what your name is, and you're going to respond using one of the three ways. And you can demonstrate this by having your mom or your dad read you the question. You respond on a Flipgrid. And that's how you submit to Mrs. Renner. But how we will do this is I will just ask you the question, and you will just respond. If I was to ask you, tu t'appelles comment? What would you respond to me? Okay, now let's do this. Tu t'appelles comment? Our lesson is done for the day. Everybody last week did an amazing job. I loved looking through your guys' flip grids, so make sure to submit another one so I can see your guys' progress. Once again, congratulations to Colin and Haley for being the stars of the week. Everybody in the class did an amazing job, and I have so much fun doing this with you guys, and I hope you enjoy too. Au revoir!